Hello students, welcome back to our new video. So this video is nothing but just a revision of the first two chapters which you all studied. The first chapter is the characteristics and evolution of computer, and the second chapter is data devices. So we'll just going to revise what we studied in the chapter. So let's get started. So students, we are going to revise in a form of multiple choice questions. This can be your notes as well as revision. So let's get started. These are the MCQs. The first one is, the first calculating device is dash. Abacus, calculator, computer, all of this. It's abacus. You all can see the answer is given in the yellow color. The second one is, the abacus has a wooden frame with beads sliding on a wire, sticks, rod, all of this. It is wires. The third one is, some of the most popular abacus were developed in China, Japan, and the options are India, England, Russia, none of this. The answer is Russia. The next one is, learning calculations using the abacus is believed to improve concentration and dash. The options are memorization skills, speaking skills, listening skills, and none of this. The answer is memorization skills. That means abacus help us to improve our concentration as well as memorization skills, that is the memory skills. The calculating device Napier Bones is made by dash. Sir John Napier, Sir Elton John, Pascal, all of this. The calculating device Napier Bones is made by Sir John Napier. The next one is, Napier bone device has numbers carved on the bones or on the strips of dash. Your options are steel, wood, iron, none of this. The answer is wood. Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical calculator called, options are Pascaline, Napier bones, computer, both A and B. Your answer is Pascaline. Charles Babbage invented a machine called the dash. Difference engine, calculator, Pascaline, all of this. The answer is different engine. Charles Babbage also invented the first general purpose computer known as, the options are analytical engine, calculator, abacus, none of this. The answer is analytical engine. The next one is, computers are classified into different generation based on dash. Years, technology used, none of this, both A and B. Your answer is technology used. That means computers are classified into different generation based on the technology being used to made it. The next one is, first generation computer used dash. Options are element, vacuum tubes, chips, all of this. The answer is vacuum tubes. The first generation computer had smaller internal storage and were very dash expensive, cheap, both A and B, none of this. The first generation computers were very expensive. The first generation computers were dash. Options are small in size, large in size, tiny in size, all of this. The answers are small in size. Mark I was designed by Howard H. Elkey in the year dash 1998, 2000, 1994, 1990. The answer is 1994. Charles Babbage is called the father of modern dash. Options are calculator, abacus, computer, all of this. Charles Babbage is called the father of modern computer. The next one is modern computer includes devices like dash. Options are input device, output device, memory device, all of this. The answer is all of this. Remember students, modern computer includes all the three devices, that is input device, output device and memory device. I hope you all remember all those devices as we studied in chapter 2, input device, output device and the memory devices. Second generation computers use dash. Your options are vacuum tubes, transistors, chips, all of this. The answer is transistors. Second generation computers are dash. Your options are smaller, faster, cheaper, all of this. The answer is all of this. Students, remember, the second generation computer was smaller, faster and cheaper comparatively to the first generation computers. The third generation computers use dash. Chips, vacuum tubes, transistors, none of this. The third generation computer used chips. The fourth generation computer used dash. Vacuum tubes, transistors, chips and microprocessor. The fourth generation computer used microprocessor. A computer can perform complex calculation in dash. Options are high speed, low speed, very slow speed and all of this. Your answer is high speed. A computer can perform complex calculation in a very high speed. A computer is very dash. Slow, fast, accurate, none of this. Now students, remember, a computer is very accurate unless and until you put the proper numbers in it. If you make mistakes in giving commands, obviously the computer will make mistakes. And if you put the correct numbers, the computer will give you the accurate answer. The next one is a computer has high dash storage capacity, less storage capacity, no storage capacity, or all of this. A computer has a very high storage capacity. Then computers lacks in the ability of dash storage capacity, complex calculation, decision making, all of this. The computers lack in the ability of decision making. That means students, remember, computers cannot make their own decision. Since they are machine, they rely completely on humans. That means whatever we give command, the computer will react to it. It will not take their own decisions. So computer lacks in making their own decision. So students, in today's first video we learned about the first chapter, that is the characteristics and evolution of the computers. In that we learned about the abacus, then we learned about the different evolutions of computer, first generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer. Then we also learned about some characteristics of computer, that includes that computer can solve complex calculation in a very less time, high speed. Then computer is very accurate, it has a high storage capacity. These are the characteristics of the computer. Then we learned that computer cannot make their own decision, they completely rely on the humans or the orders to be given to them. So I hope you all understood this particular chapter, as we studied it in the first unit. and we revised it in a form of MCQs. So this can be your MCQs as well as your notes. So I hope you all understood it. Thank you.